Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, unmute themselves.
No, sir.
Sir, it is clear only, but don't write down, sir, because
It's clear,
we are
sir.
able to see.
Okay, 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 okay.
Good evening, sir.
Right. So we got a gap meeting, sir, recording. We got a gap for some days. Let us recapitulate what we have discussed in the last week class. We are seeing the definitions of speed, uniform speed, average speed, or instantaneous speed. In the same way, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, and you can compare uniform speed and uniform velocity just by based on the formula only. In the same time, I said average speed. Average speed, you can it is the ratio of the total distance covered by a body to the total time taken. So how can we define based on average speed? How can we define average velocity? Means velocity, instead of distance, you are going to get displacement. So you can say, you can define average velocity as, average velocity is defined as the total displacement covered by an object to the total time taken. So simple as that. Average velocity and average speed. Just you have to replace distance with displacement. That will become the definition of average velocity. In the same way, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous speed means the speed which is at that particular moment is called instantaneous. We have seen in the example of instantaneous speed. In the same way, the velocity with which the body is moving at that particular time is called instantaneous velocity. Now we are going to discuss about acceleration, uniform acceleration. We have discussed uniform speed, uniform velocity. Now we have to discuss uniform acceleration. Very, very, very important topic. Based on uniform acceleration only, we have to derive equations of motion, which is very, very important for even for your intermediate point of view. You are going to do so many problems based on uniform acceleration. Let me define uniform acceleration. So already you know acceleration is defined as rate of change in velocity by time. So you can define a body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration or constant acceleration if it covers equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. Just equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So based on the formula only, we are going to define uniform speed also, uniform velocity, and uniform acceleration. The formula for acceleration is change in velocity by time. So you have to define uniform means constant uniform acceleration of a body is said to be when it covers equal velocities in equal intervals of time, then the body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. The body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration if it covers equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So a body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform means we can also call it as constant acceleration. If it covers equal velocities or equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. This is definition of uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. So normally uniform acceleration example you can take. So this is a tower. One tower is there or one building is there. Any object which is falling from the height, so it falls with uniform acceleration. Object which is falling from certain height, so this body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration because it covers equal velocities in equal intervals of time. So then we can say that this body is moving with uniform acceleration. So uniform acceleration means constant acceleration. If a body moves with equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time, then the body is said to be moving with uniform acceleration. Now, let us see here the uniform acceleration. And we have seen bodies, this we can say freely falling body. Freely falling body means the body which is falling from a certain height is an example of uniform acceleration because the freely falling body moves with equal velocities in equal intervals of time. So example of uniform acceleration is a freely falling body can move with equal velocities in equal intervals of time. Now we are going to define non-uniform acceleration, opposite to this. Non-uniform acceleration means there is no constant changes. There is no equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So velocity will change as it is. Sometimes first 2 seconds it will travel with 5 meters per second velocity. Then after 2 seconds it may travel 12. Like this, there is no changes, equal changes. That is called non-uniform acceleration. A body is said to be moving with non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration if it covers unequal velocities or unequal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So a body is said to be moving with non-uniform acceleration if it covers unequal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So one should be unequal. Either time is unequal, so you can also define if it covers equal changes in velocities in unequal intervals of time. You can both. Non-uniform means either time changes is non-uniform or velocity changes non-uniform. You can define instead of unequal velocities, you can change equal changes in velocities in unequal. You can define like that also. So this is non-uniform and uniform. Let me take the pic here. Right. Now we will see a very, very important concept, equations of motion. Equations of motion. There are 4 equations of motion which we have to, very, very important topic as far as your motion chapter is concerned. In this equation of motion, based on these equations of motion only, we are going to do some problems in the coming classes. Equations of motion. So equations of motion, first definition. The relation among initial velocity we represent with u, initial velocity comma final velocity v, time taken, time t, displacement s bar, of course they are all vectors only, time is a scalar, and uniform acceleration. Yeah. So the relation among initial velocity is expressed in terms of equations called equations of motion. So this is the definition. So the equations, whichever we are going to derive now, there are 4 equations. Definition, the relation means the equation containing initial velocity, already I told it is denoted by u, final velocity v, time taken t, displacement s bar, and uniform acceleration. Always remember, very important point is equations of motion are applicable for a body moving with uniform acceleration. It is not applicable. The equations of motion are not valid for non-uniform acceleration. That you have to compulsory mention it. Equations of motion are applicable for the body moving with uniform acceleration. So very important point. Equations of motion are applicable for the body moving with dash, that is uniform acceleration. Because these equations are not valid, they are not applicable for the body moving with non-uniform acceleration. Only whenever equations of motion are valid, only for body moving with uniform acceleration. Now let us derive first equation of motion. So first equation of motion, it is equal to v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation. V is this. Actually, I have written this equation, but now we are going to derive this, because these derivations are very important, especially if you have any question. If your exam syllabus is motion is there, compulsory you may expect one derivation among these 4 derivations. So these derivations are very important as far as your 9th class examinations point of view. So let us consider an object moving with uniform acceleration, with initial velocity u. So it is moving with initial velocity u and after a time t seconds, after a time t seconds, it has traveled displacement, s displacement, with final velocity v. So I have considered one example. In order to derive this, I have considered one example. A vehicle. Let me draw the diagram for this. We will take one vehicle. So this is the vehicle. So initially its velocity is starting velocity, and at time is equal to 0 seconds. So before starting, its velocity is initial velocity u. Time is equal to 0 seconds, and it has traveled distance up to s. Now the vehicle is here. So time is equal to t is equal to t seconds. After time t seconds, the final velocity is v. The distance traveled is displacement. So always equations of motion, we have to consider it as all vectors only, except time. Time is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude but no direction. Remaining here, initial velocity means starting velocity. It is a vector quantity. You can represent with a bar also, no problem. So most of the time, we won't consider it as, but you can keep bar also. But I am taking only u, v. So at time t is equal to 0 seconds, starting velocity u. At time t is equal to t seconds, final velocity. This is final velocity. This is initial velocity. This is displacement. Now, so this is the situation. Now I will take the example of definition of acceleration. From the definition of acceleration, So what do you know by acceleration? Acceleration is equal to rate of change in velocity. We have already discussed rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity divided by time. Just I have written in form of words. Now I will write the formula. Acceleration A is equal to change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. By how much time taken? T. So this is the derivation. Now I will cross multiply. A into T is equal to V minus U. So into 1. So we are going to get AT is equal to V minus U. Or therefore, V minus U is equal to AT. V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the derivation. First equation, very simple. First equation of motion is 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 very simple. Just I have taken acceleration. A is equal to V minus U by T. Cross multiply. A into T is equal to V minus U. AT is equal to V minus V is equal to. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is first equation of motion, and it is also called velocity time relation. Velocity time relation. First equation of motion can be also called as velocity time relation. You have to remember, just like you by hearted tables in your earlier classes. Equations of motion, first equation is V is equal to U plus AT. That is first equation of motion. We can call it as first equation of motion, or another name is velocity time relation. Let me take this photograph. Right. Now we will have a discussion. If you have any doubts, second equation of motion later. If you have any doubts, we will discuss now. One by one, you can ask me if you have any doubts.
Sir.
Students, you can ask your doubts, ma.
Sir, acceleration change in velocity say again, sir.
What?
Acceleration change in velocity.
Velocity again 1 second.
Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. This one, you are asking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one is A is equal to V minus U by T, no? Change in acceleration.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to V minus U by T.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Cross multiply.
Yeah, sir.
Cross multiply. You are asking calculation. You are asking calculation.
Yes, sir.
A into T is equal to AT is equal to
AT.
V minus U.
U minus U.
V is equal to U plus AT. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Cross multiply. You have to cross multiply. A into T is equal to AT. V minus U into 1. V minus U. So if you transfer this one, V is equal to U plus AT. First equation.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tell me, any doubt?
Sir,
You can ask. Tell me.
sir, one show the boat, sir. Sir, boat is not clear, sir.
Sir, to
Hold
the
on, just 1 second. Okay, okay. 1 second.
hello.
Okay, sir.
Now it is clear.
No, sir.
Somewhat.
Some more side, sir.
Now it is
Sir,
clear.
we want that, sir.
Huh?
We want that, sir.
Velocity.
Equation of
This
motion.
side, sorry, it better.
Yes, this
It is important. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now clear, sir.
Okay, sir.
You can ask any doubts, ma?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Sir, you have drawn one diagram, no, sir.
Diagram.
No doubt.
Sir, once please tell that. Sir.
Is it okay? So initially, this is a vehicle which is starting with initial velocity u. Time is equal to 0 seconds. After time t seconds, it has traveled displacement s. With final velocity after the time t seconds, final velocity is u.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
What is the meaning of magnitude?
Magnitude means value.
Sir.
Value.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
No doubt, sir. You can ask me doubts.
Yeah.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Class completed, sir.
Equations of motion is very, very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me. What is your name?
In that class,
May I know what is your name?
Yeah.
Please, asking doubts, please mention your name and branch. Tell me.
Okay, sir.
Please ask me doubts.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
My voice is not clear. It is your single problem. My voice is
Yes, sir.
students who have low voice.
Sir, from another members,
Network
disturbance is
issues.
coming, sir.
My problem. Tell me.
So please,
Somebody is
My name is Tanogna from Guru Branch.
Sir.
Sir, V means final velocity over
V
final
means
speed.
final velocity. U means initial velocity. T means time taken. S means displacement. Only time
In the
time
place
t.
of velocity, in the place of velocity, can we take speed also, sir?
No. Equations of motion. How we have to take vectors only. We should not take scalars. Speed is a scalar quantity. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Because in the coming classes, we are going to get somewhat tough derivations. But you need to understand, based on this equation only, we are going to derive remaining 4 days. Everything, diagram is important. From the diagram only, we are going to derive the equation. We will take the definitions we will take. From the definitions only, it is very easy. 4 equations of motion. 4 is very important as per your 9th class subject point of view. You may get one derivation either for 2 marks or 4 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tell me, any doubt?
Okay, sir.
So can we leave?
Do you want to leave?
No, sir. Class
You don't-
completed.
No. You have any doubts? Actually, I can say second equation, but you will be confused. Shall I go slowly or shall I go somewhat fast?
Slowly.
Slowly, sir.
If I can say
Slowly.
within half an hour, I can derive 4 equations of motion, but you will be confused. That's why I am taking my own time for your convenience. That's why step by
Okay,
step,
sir.
if I go, you will clearly understand. That's why I am going very damn sure I am going.
Okay, sir.
Tell me any doubt. If you ask doubts means then you can explore more. You will have more interest.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, why we cross multiply there, sir?
cross multiplication to get
Because,
the equation. To get the equation, mathematics, just like you mathematics, in order to solve the problem, no, we have simplified. That's it. To get the equation,
Okay, sir.
to
Okay,
get the
sir.
equation, we have to cross multiply. Simplification.
Sir, we
Mathematics
have to
process.
take only vector quantities, sir.
Huh?
We should.
Only.
We have to take only vector quantities,
Equations
sir.
of motion can be expressed only in vector quantities. Initial velocity itself
Okay,
vector,
sir.
no. Final velocity
sir.
vector. Only time taken is scalar here. Remaining all vectors.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, V equals to.
V is equal to U plus 80. Tell me.
Half 80 square, no, sir.
Yes.
Ask me clearly. Whatever doubt you ask me clearly. This is first equation of motion. Second equation, S is equal to ut plus half a square. Third equation, V square minus U square is equal to AS. Fourth equation, Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. These 4 equations, first equation completed, derivation.
Yes,
So we are
sir.
going to derive next class. Tell me. Any doubt?
No,
No
sir.
doubt,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
And these equations of motion are valid only for the body moving with dash. Tell me.
Motion.
Uniform acceleration.
Uniform acceleration. Equations of motion are valid for only for the body moving with uniform acceleration.
Uniform axis.
Example of uniform acceleration I told.
Freely
Example of
falling.
freely falling body. Freely falling body means a body which is falling from certain height.
Height.
Okay?
Without any.
Tell me any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt.
No boys speaking. Is there no boys are there?
No doubt, sir.
Only girls. Huh? For boys, everything.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Huh?
Sir, మాకు డౌట్లు ఎందుకు వస్తాయి సార్ అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్
Doubtful? Tell me. Somebody is asking. Doubtful ఎందుకు వస్తాయా? Tell me, please. Boys, somebody is saying. What he is saying?
మాకు డౌట్స్ ఎందుకు వస్తాయి ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి
Doubts ఎందుకు వస్తాయా?
ఆన్సర్ వస్తాయంటే
అర్థం కాలేదు. I can't understand.
Sir, he told us
answer
he won't get doubts, sir, but he will only get answers.
ఎస్ సార్
Okay. If you are not getting doubts means you should feel doubtful. Your doubts. మీకు డౌట్ రావట్లేదంటే మీరే పెద్ద డౌట్లు మీకు. డౌట్లు రావాలి. మనిషి అంటే కాస్త కళాపోషణ ఉండాలి కదా, మనిషి అంటే కాస్త డౌట్లు రావాలి. స్టూడెంట్ అన్నా కాస్త డౌట్ రావాలి, అప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్ అనుకుంటారు. ఏదో సినిమా చూసి సినిమా లాగా అర్థం అయిపోయిందంటే అది సినిమా అవుతుంది కానీ ఫిజిక్స్ క్లాస్ కాదు. టెల్ మీ ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
No, sir.
నో సార్
బాయ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? Boys are there or not? No response. What? I have to think that there are no boys here.
ఎస్ సార్
Huh? Everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From Monday onwards, from Monday I think we are having class, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Monday, we are going to derive all the three. I think most probably we will derive second equation, third equation. If time permits, we are going to derive fourth problem also, fourth derivation also. And we will have some problems based on this. Those are very interesting. Problems based on equations of motion are very important. Very interesting also. Very
Okay, sir.
interesting. We will do some problems.
Okay, sir.
Shall we
So
take
who
it?
is the winner of seminar?
Winner of the seminar is Dona Spandana from Core Branch. Dona Spandana, if you want to share that video, you just message me. I will share that video. How she explained. She explained better than me. She explained better than me.
Sir, I saw in your YouTube channel, sir.
She
Yes, sir.
explained better than me. Those who want to listen that video, see that video, you send SMS to my mobile number. You know my mobile number, no? Is already written.
Sir, you can share in class now, sir.
Sharing in the class, it is not good because
Sir, I know your YouTube channel.
you can, if you want to listen that.
Sir, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Oh shit. Bad shit.
Sir, video is not.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, don't talk by.
The video
Oh
have
shit,
been
don't
stuck.
talk by.
Sir, your video is stuck, sir.
Oh shit, don't talk by.
Your video is
Karthikeya is
shit,
the
don't
host
talk
now. Karthikeya is the host now.
గమ్ము కూర్చోవాలండి చేసుకుంటా ఉంటా నేను అటు తిరిగి అది లేదని
Sir is not there.
Hello? Hello?
చెప్పమ్మా సాయిచరా.
Hello, sir. లేరు అందరు లేరు
నువ్వు వచ్చి సాయిచరా.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Sir is not there in the class.
host.
I know
Where are
that.
you, sir? Where are you?
Hey Mohan, what by?
End the meeting.
Shit, don't talk by. Harshit, shut up by.
Hey, we can leave. Hello. Please leave the meeting.
Who said that?
Not there.
Who said that?
అడుగు పెట్టాను
Leave this meeting. Who said that?
Your face.
By Harshit, shut up by.
Your face. That. Hello. Has he started or completed? Your face that.
By Harshit, shut up by.
You only to shut up, boy.